Hi everybody, welcome back to online class once again. I am Arpita ma'am and today we are going to learn the sound of K. So before knowing the sound, we should know the face, right? So let's have a look. This is how the K looks like. This is capital K. We all know this, right? Now, this is how the K looks like when we write it in cursive. Okay, this is small k in cursive. Okay, now how does the K sounds like? The sound of K is K. K. Yes, please repeat everybody. K. Yes, so the sound of K is K. Now let's see some words that start with K, okay? So what is this? Yes, it's very easy, I know. It flies. Yes, you are right. This is kite. Kite starts with K, so K, kite. Are you hungry, students? I am very hungry. So where do we go when we feel hungry? Right, we go to the kitchen. So this kitchen starts with K. K, kitchen. So as I am now in the kitchen, I can see this fruit. Who can tell me what is this fruit? Is it tough? Okay, no problem. I am helping you. This is kiwi. This is kiwi. Kiwi starts with K. K, kiwi. Now since I am inside the kitchen, I want to have some tea. Okay, I can see this in the kitchen. Who can tell me what is this? This is also very easy. We can keep the tea inside this. Yes, you are absolutely correct. This is kettle. Kettle. Oh, what are these two cute animals? Who can say the name of these two animals? Yes, you are right. This is kangaroo. This is kangaroo. And what is the name of this animal? This is koala. This is koala. Very good. Both kangaroo and koala start with K. Okay? K, kangaroo. K, koala. I have a small homework for you today. You have to tell me in the comment section below that where do we find kangaroos. Okay? I hope all of you have enjoyed today's video. So please do practice at home and stay safe inside your home. Okay? See you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.